Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we will review the market once again like we do every week. And you can see here last week I talked about the token called ZDC Zcash and we took a trade after reviewing it, and you can see it has minted us good profit. As you can see, we have shorted a token and within one day it actually hit the profit target, making us a good amount of money. So if you're someone who's new here and want to learn trading, you have landed on the right channel. So make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, and make sure to check out my membership to know more about what I have to offer. Now, before I begin and take you through the details, there's a new trading platform that I would like to introduce. It is totally driven by AI. You can call it as deeptradex.ai, which is your trading platform just like Binance, but with an edge. So it helps you generate your own strategy using AI and execute it flawlessly. Also, they are running a better program. So for the new user who are joining through my referral link, which is shared below, you will get a guaranteed risk coverage, which means you can trade profit, you can take out profit, but they will cover the loss for you. So now let's dive in onto the weekly market review. So first of all, we have a token. Like always, we review Bitcoin. So when we take a look at Bitcoin, you can see here it is still below the 50 and 20 minute dynamic resistances, which means we are not yet bullish. On the higher time frame, especially on the weekly, it doesn't look bullish to me. So if you think it is bullish, well, I don't think the time has come yet. So this is about Bitcoin. In short, the tokens that I am targeting or eyeing this week, well, number one will be definitely Zcash, ZDC token that gave us good money last week also. So overall, I am quite bearish on Zcash. Why? You can see the pattern. It is acting according to the plan. As you can see here, it's making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So I'm expecting it to hit nearly around $300. Of course, this week has started with a good pullback. But if you go to the daily chart, you will zoom out, you will realize this particular token is now making a kind of neat head and shoulder, which is right over here. Let me draw it once again. So if you look at here, it is making a good head and shoulder pattern, a bearish head and shoulder pattern, which is kind of bearish. That means we can go down. Plus, if we zoom in again, you can see closely on the right shoulder, it has again 50 MA, 20 MA dynamic distances with the key trend line, the white one. So overall, until or unless it breaks this trend line, which is at around $430, I think we are still good to go or short it. So I believe it can go to $300. The right setup will become only when it retests the 50 MA and then we see a move downwards. That is quite possible, and I am waiting for it to go down to the level of 300 and we can short it and make good money. So this is one of the setup that I can take. Of course, if you want to learn more about the setups, more details, you can join my Telegram. The free group is there below, and also check out my membership if you are interested to know more or learn more about crypto. The second thing is BNB chain or the Binance Smart Chain. This is the token that is of course one of my favorite, but you can see here it has rallied to beyond $1,000 on the weekly, then slowed down here. Right now on the weekly, it is on the verge of a breakout, but if you zoom in, you will see here it is now stagnating or slowing down. The bullish momentum it has, which is at around this area, this particular area is slowing down. And if it kept on slowing down, the next move I expect it to go down to the level of $800, which is right over here. And if we zoom out again, it can hit the base support line, which is at around this level, which is your nearly $650, I can say. So clearly, this looks still bearish to me, and the confirmation can be taken on the daily chart. If you look at the daily chart, you will find out the trend is kind of bearish at the moment. It went up, went down here, and if we just zoom in, just look at here. It is now stuck in this bearish wedge pattern, which is right over here, going down and stuck here, making a top again. Now it is trying to break out. If it break out, we are going up. Otherwise, what I see it going back down here, and a breakout from here can again end up it hitting $700 or $800 for sure. So it can be a good shot if everything goes as planned. So this one is the second setup, the second best setup for me for this week after ZDC, of course. And the third one, I'm eyeing on the hype token, which looks again quite bearish. On the weekly chart, you can see there's a big three major key resistances: 50, 20, and fib retracement. And when you zoom in, you can see or find a support here at around $20 or 20.5. And this is quite achievable. I think it can go down here before rallying up once again. So I'm eyeing on the retest of this trend line, which is on the daily. And once it hit this trend line and fails to keep up, or we have a 20 EMA dynamic resistance here, I think we will see it go down to the level of $20. That is quite possible. So again, hype short can be possible. So I'm eyeing on it. So after ZDC, after BNB, I think this can be a good strategy with a very high reward and low risk. If you remember, I only trade tokens or asset which are giving me an edge and also giving me a good reward risk ratio. Like it has nearly 2.75, which means nearly 3 time profit, 1 time loss. That is what I'm targeting. So this will be my third trade, and of course, among all the trades, many of them are moving sideways. But then we have Uniswap, which looks kind of bearish to me after triple top on the daily chart. And if you go to the higher time from the weekly, you will see here this rejection of 20 MA happened last week. Then we have this trend line rejection, and I think the next leg down for it is nearly close to $4. So that can happen. So we are going to hit bottom of Uniswap probably this week. If that happens, we are going to make good money, and then we are going to close the position. That is when the rally begins. So we are very much close to break out and a rally up, but only after we go down. So this is about the trades that I'm taking. Of course, I'm short on most of them, actually three, four of them. But again, the trend can change anytime. So make sure to analyze the chart on a daily basis. Check the low time frame, high time frame, and when you start analyzing, go with the higher time frame, then move on to the lower time frame. That will help you clear your analysis. So with that, I complete my video. Do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon. And if you're someone who want to learn trading, well, the courses are here. Click on the link in the end screen, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.